These things are What up, guys? Welcome back to the garage, man. Today we're starting off. I'm trying to load up all these freaking blocks and stuff, all the holy blocks we got around here. We're gonna be run off to the scrap yard to go take all this trash out of my yard and get a little bit of money from it because I have a goal. Also, we got all this freaking plywood. A friend of mine named Dylan hit me up, and it was right after the video of us putting the tarp on the roof. He's like, dude, would you be able to use a bunch of plywood? I'm like, I don't know, bro. It would have to be a lot of plywood. As you guys see, that's a lot of plywood. I can't promise we're gonna do that anytime soon, but yeah, I have a bunch of wood now. We can kind of sheet the top of the booth. Of course, then it's gonna need like shingles or something, but we'll deal with that later. Got another holy block right here. Got a bunch of scrap shit right here. Gotta load all this up. Cover! See, that's what the bar on the front is good for, man.
Dude, he literally side-eyed you when he got up there.
Hey, Tubby. What's up, buddy? We got one more stop to make. No, I didn't bring out the trailer for 2 freaking blocks. The same guy that gave me the wood, we're going by my buddy Dylan's house. We're picking up a frame that he wants to be taken to the scrap yard. It's kind of the whole reason why I'm doing this. Raven's mobbing with.
Yeah.
Oh, sneak peek. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's not a sneak peek. That's literally a peek. That's sneaky about that.
You've already posted these on your Instagram, bro.
I post them everywhere.
Anyhow, you guys know I had these 16-inch slipstreams. We're gonna just go rob the tires from them for now. It's just a temporary thing to put them on Braven's wheels so he can put these on his 4-door.
I get new tires like next week, so I'm just gonna do it for now.
Yeah. He's got new tires coming, but he's been wanting to drive that 4-door, but he can't because the tires are just shot. I mean, these ones aren't in great condition, but they at least hold air, you know what I'm saying? Anyhow, stop by Gabby's house because we're gonna be taking a little munchkin with us. Look who's ours for today. You're gonna go do boy stuff. Yeah, that's a nervous laugh, actually.
Really?
No, he's excited.
He's
like, I'm getting out of the house.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's go.
Bye-bye.
All right, we stopped and got this frame picked up. So this is like off of an old pickup truck. This was trash. He told me I can come pick it up, take it to the scrap yard. Look, this thing had been narrowed. So they narrowed it so that they can run slicks. Like, this thing's had some work done to it. It's all boxed in. This centerpiece here to put some coilovers. That's kind of what I need to do to the S10 eventually. But anyhow, we're on our way to the scrap yard. Raven's across the street over there again. His tires swapped out. What's up, dude? What are you crying about? What are you crying about? You need more chips? This boy just loves the Cool Ranch. Ooh, what? Anyhow, we got the frame, we got the 2 engine blocks, and then we got a bunch of random stuff. Whoa, shit, Jesus Christ. We got a bunch of random stuff back here. Throw it in the comments how much you think we're gonna get for all this. I'm hoping to get a certain amount because I wanna go to Harbor Freight and go pick something up. We'll see what we get. Look at this jaywalker over here, man. This is proof right here, evidence.
So much hair.
What's up, dog?
What up?
Are they gonna get it done or what?
Yeah, they said it should be done in like 30 minutes.
Alright.
Just a few people.
We'll go drop this stuff off and get back. 9,920 pounds. $91.40. How much you think? Without looking at the receipts.
$32.
That was for one of them. $99. It's like, y'all couldn't give me an extra $1 to make that a freaking even 100.
Yeah, a little.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just one more crisp little $1. Come on now.
I'll get $1.
What's wrong, Travi? All right, he's upset. He don't like sitting still. All right, see you later. Leaving this boy at the tire shop because he still ain't done with his tires. Stopped and dropped the trailer off really quick, grab some lunch. Are you ready to mob out, dude? We gotta go to Harbor Freight. Come on, do the happy feet. Hey, no, none of that. Oh, there you go. The lid goes on the bucket, you're right. Come on, let's go. Don't bring the bucket. Ah. You
need to watch Happy Feet.
He is Happy Feet. Hey, hey. What are you looking at, man? What are you looking at? Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash! Boom! He crashed, he crashed. You're not a very good driver, man. Mama, I'm home. Let me back in, I'm tired. Let me back in, Mama, I'm home. Hey! Knock on the door. It's open. Would you just look at it? Alright, drop a little dude off, and yes, we picked up a freaking winch from Harbor Freight. It is a 5,000 pound. Honestly, I want to get a bigger one. I want to get the 12,000 pound one they have there. Later, whenever I get that, I figured I would go ahead and take this and put it on the front of the CR-V. If the CR-V at that point is my off-roading vehicle. I don't know. Wink, wink, we'll see. So we're not going to mess with that today. We're going to mess with that later. Yeah, what do you got going on?
Slamming it.
Doing some adjustments for your new wheels.
Yeah, they look pretty good, guys. You're gonna have to check out my video though to see the new wheels.
No, I'm gonna go show them.
No.
Is this Monday's video?
Yeah.
Because this is Tuesday's video, so that's just gonna push you to make sure you have that shit up on Monday. I'm just playing. You guys have to go check out his video. But anyhow, I'm in the middle of recording the video trying to get the transmission into the Blazer, and guess what, man? The bolts are too freaking long. So yeah, I was trying to bolt the transmission up, and the only bolts that I have, I've searched this entire freaking house and my shed. Yeah, they're too long, so I need to run to a hardware store, Home Depot or something, go find shorter bolts. I got back from Home Depot. I grabbed some buckets because I originally had bought buckets for my zinc coating setup, and I kind of used them for paint. Also got some freaking bolts, man. This is all they had. This is absolutely all they had. So I thought these bolts were like a standard size, but they're not. They're actually metric. They are M10 by 1.5, and these are 35 millimeters long. So they should be long enough. I would like it to be slightly longer, and they're also not grade 8. They're just gonna have to work for now. I've had this stuff sitting for a really long time. Honestly, I don't even remember what's all inside of these, but I know this is all the stuff that I needed for doing zinc coating. Those right there are plates of zinc. All of that for this little guy. It looks like it's leaking. What the hell? Box in a box. Ooh, this is my power supply. What is that? Oh, copper wire. Yeet. Aquarium heater and an electric single burner. Yeet. Could have swore I ordered like 3 of these. Well, I guess it's too late now since it's been sitting here for 6 months. Yeah, all right. Also, what it is I need all the buckets for. So I want to get this whole zinc coating thing set up so I can start using it, bro. So as we're putting the Blazer together, well, not only the Blazer, but the S10, that's the reason why I got all this, was for the truck. Looking at all that old nasty hardware that came off the bed for like the tailgate and all that, I was like, dude, this would be so sick if all this was like freshly zinc coated. So that is what inspired me to start doing a bunch of research and try to figure out what it is I would need to do it from home. Now I need a place to actually set all this up. I really want it to be indoors so that it's not going to be getting destroyed from the weather, you know? So my idea is to set it up over here. It's just I don't want to lose the space that I have for setting things. I don't want to lose my counter space. Oh shit. Frickin' twisty nails. There it is. Right back to normal. You can't even freaking tell that I did anything. Man, this actually came out really dope. I'm not gonna lie, I am wanting to do this now to that one as well. Like just without the holes for the buckets, you know what I'm saying? Like I could literally close in the entire bottom of this and make like a couple different doors. And we could use that for like tool storage or whatever, dude. But anyhow, this is going to basically house like absolutely everything for the zinc coating. I left the sides open. I'm definitely gonna have to find somewhere else to put the fuel, because this right here is gonna be for the hot plate. It's for this electric burner right here, in which I'll go over what it is this is for. I'm out of time for tonight, guys. Not to mention, I think the zinc coating, like the whole setup of it, ought to be its own dedicated video. This kicked my ass. This took freaking all night. It's like 11 o'clock at night now. So anyhow, now we'll be able to set this all up, and it'll have its own place. So whenever I'm using it, I can just open the door. I'm gonna put a little hook up here. I also need to make some kind of drying rack to like hang all the nuts and bolts on so they can dry. But yeah, basically whenever I'm not using any of it, that's what these open areas are for. I could set things here and put everything out of sight, out of mind, close this down, and I still have a full workbench. And then we have a 2x4 here, and then these ones in the center to actually support the weight, and one on the far end. And then of course the board on the bottom is screwed into these 2x4s, so that, I mean, because these buckets right here are going to be full of liquid, so it's got to be able to handle some weight, you know what I'm saying? That's the reason why I put a 2x4 in between them, so it helps support all the weight of those buckets. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these handles off, because honestly we're not gonna need the handles. I mean, it would be nice to keep them on, but they're just gonna get in the way. But bam, there it is. All the buckets are in there. Whenever this thing is all completely set up, I'll be able to just shut this door and it's completely out of sight, out of mind. The only thing that you see are the bucket's hanging down. I can only imagine what the neighbors are gonna call the city and say I'm running out of my garage now, right? But anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just got quite a few things done. As you guys know, we have an entire light kit for the trailer, and now we also have a winch to install. I'm not gonna do any of that until we get the wood. So I'll have everything for the trailer, and we're just gonna do one massive freaking overhaul on that thing all in one video. So I'm excited for that as well. But we gotta wait till we get some wood. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and get the zinc coating thing, this whole operation all set up, man. I hope you guys are excited about that. You really should be, because this is one of those things for people who are very detail oriented, man. I really don't have a whole lot of money invested into this. And it's gonna be something really cool for any of you who, you know, do the same shit that I do. Be able to take all your nuts and bolts and screws and small little brackets and stuff and zinc coat them and make them look brand new. Hell yeah. But anyhow, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do help me out with the algorithm, man. Smash the like button so we can get more views and get this channel growing. I appreciate all your guys' support. Thank you very much, every single one of you. Peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.